Officially been designated synth land. What do you got? That's awesome. That sound right away. That's great. So we can maybe we can look at C major 7. We could stack a 9 on top. So we can take that same shape potentially and try. Take a 9 on top maybe. That's nice. Yeah. Let's see if we can make that calm motion with the waves moving in and out. Using after our technical issues.